Jesus. Kami yung nag-unong group na yun when we were young. Pero it's your time now and I'm really blessed to join the worship this afternoon. Siguro po itong mensahe ito, this will be both practical, ma-apply natin sa buhay natin, and at the same time, very spiritual. And wag po kayong guluhan sa title, parang napakaganda ng title, no? Parang sobrang lalim na rin si-share. Pero actually, sinare ko po ito sa isang Thanksgiving celebration ng isang church sa Dipolo. No? Ang haba ng theme nila, pinag-pray ko sa Lord, ano yung message sa haba ng theme nila? And the Lord gave me this message. And as I was preparing for today, yesterday I was praying, binigay po sa akin ng Lord the message. I go back to that message and I believe this is so significant because DMI San Pablo, you have been so faithful in stewarding legacy. Kung ano yung natanggap ninyo, kahit maliit, you have a way to make it grow. And so today, I pray that this message will inspire us, challenge us. Galing din po kami ng Bacolod. Kanina nung binabasa ko yung Psalm 100, yun yung theme ng church sa Bacolod. Kasi 100 years na sila. 100 years, I can't even think like, wow, 100 years na church. So parang ganito, no? Sa isang location in, what's the name? Pulo Pandan. No? Mga 1 hour po from Bacolod, 45 minutes. No? Sa tabi ng malapit sa dagat. Pero sa isang maliit na church na yun, ilang pastor ang na-raise up. Ilang mga professionals. No? The number might look still small. But the Lord has been using that church as a witness, a salt and light that we need. That's a wonderful story of legacy. So, I entitle my message for today, Stewarding Legacy, Unlocking Destiny. Bawat isa sa atin may destiny, may calling ng Panginoon. Each one of us, the Lord has put a destiny inside of us. And part of us being unlocked to our destiny, yung calling natin ay mangyayari sa buhay natin is how we steward legacy. How we receive and how we make it better or higher. So, maintindihan po natin ito a little bit more as we dive. Next slide, please. Next slide. What is legacy? Legacy is something transmitted by or received from an ancestor or predecessor or from the past. So, ang legacy sa Tagalog pa ay pamana. No? Ang pamana ay hindi ninanakaw. You don't grab it, it is given. It is prepared for you. So yung pamana na minamadali ay kulang ng blessing yun eh, hindi yung buo. Di ba? Meron po bang gano'n, mga kwentong inagaw yung blessing? Yeah. No, yung siguro, minadali. And it could be about marriage, it could be about inheritance talaga. Pero alam nyo, legacy o yung pamana, kaway ako yun. Yung pamana ay inahanda at ibinibigay. So it's like blessing. Blessings of two parts. Bestowal and then humbly receiving. Yung biblical blessing ko may dalawang bahagi. Ibinagawa, ibinibigay, at tinatanggap ng may pasasalamat at pagpapakumbaba. So pwede po bless kayo, pero ang yabang ng puso ninyo, you're not receiving the full blessing. Are you with me? So biblical blessing, like inheritance, two parts. Bestowal, the person who has the blessing released by God. And then how do you receive? You receive it in humility. In fact, bowing down, ibig sabihin ko talaga. Let's dive.